This video will demonstrate linking the different notes being played on a musical instrument to different amounts of red, green and blue in a video. By using a guitar as a real-time input, we'll analyze the different notes being played on the guitar, and then we'll decide what colors should be in the video based on a mapping. For example, C and G are mapped to the color red. So if there's a lot of C and G in the being played on the guitar, then there'll be a lot of red in the video. I'm going to switch the input to a live input and choose channel 1 because that's where my guitar is. So you can see if I play a C major that it picks out the notes being played. So same for a G major and so on. So I'm now going to play a video and you should see different chords linked to different colors. For example, E minor is linked to the color blue and C minor is linked to the color red. So yes, it's just ESC to make things full screen or otherwise.